Nagsalita si Camille. What?
I see you nodding. Senator Judge Camille Villar, you may proceed when you're ready. You have 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay,
Wow, Camille Villar.
thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Good afternoon po, Mr. Ortonio.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Maayong hapon.
So, mayong hapon din. I just have a few clarificatory questions for you, if you don't mind. Tama po ba kayo ang Assistant Chief of Staff ng OVP?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
And kayo po ang sumagot dun sa AOM na pinadala ng COA. Kayo po yung nag-prepare ng report.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, and ano yung what was the process in which that you did that? Or what were the things that you had to do? You prepared the AOM?
Camille, ano ba naman yung tanong mo? Parang Camellia, walang kwenta. Aray ko. Putik naman, oh. Ano ba to, Camille? Parang Camellia, walang kwenta, walang tubig.
Consulted with?
Nung na-receive po yung AOM, ma'am, I informed the Chief of Staff and the Vice President. And from there was an instruction to me to coordinate with the Special Disbursing Officer and the Security Officer, which I did also, ma'am. And then from their replies, ma'am, I drafted the response, and then I submitted the reply for final approval to the head of agency.
And of course, in your capacity as the Assistant Chief of Staff and in your own capacity, sa inyo pong palagay ay nagampanan nyo naman yung inyong role dito sa prosesong ito at nagawa nyo naman adequately yung report.
Yes, at the time, ma'am, yes, I would say so, ma'am, because from the issues that were raised
Yes.
In the AOM and in the NS, marami pong mga concerns or issues na natanggal po doon sa final na natanggal doon sa notice of disallowance that we received.
Okay, and lahat yung mga requirements naman ay na-fulfill nyo naman dun sa report, right? A majority of it.
Yes, lahat po ng mga concerns that were raised, we were able to provide answers and supporting documents.
And doon naman doon po sa AOM, anywhere in the AOM did it say that there was a misuse or misappropriation of the funds?
No, there was no mention po, ma'am.
Okay, and are the findings of the AOM final?
No, ma'am, it is subject for comments, ma'am, and right now for po siya, ma'am, motion for reconsideration.
Okay, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Anak ng wetig na talong yan, oh. Oh!
Daghang
Senator Judge Padilla,
Oh, ito na naman tayo, mga
you may
kababayan.
proceed with your interjection, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong tagapamahalang hukom. Tuloy ko lang po yung ating tanungan. Opo. Pagkatapos po niyong sumagot, pwede pong pati na rin sa depensa. Meron din po akong tanong. Opo. Kanina po, nahinto tayo kay
Before
Marshal
you continue,
Bonifacio.
Senator Judge Padilla, next time, Attorney Christine, do you need a platform similar to it was Senator Lor it was Attorney Lorna first asked for it, but I noticed the prosecution has one. Would you wish one to be provided for you at a future time, Attorney Christine, or the
Yes, Your
the
Honor.
side of the respondents?
Yes, Your Honor. I would appreciate having that platform too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, yung pala eh. Forfeit! Aray ko. Putik. Si Atty. Ferrero. Membro ng forfeit.
In the next hearing, Attorney Christine. Yes, Senator Judge Padilla, you may
Opo.
proceed.
Balikan ko po, naputol po tayo kanina. Opo. Naniniwala po ba kayo na ang confidential fund para yaan po ay makakuha tayo ng impormasyon para makasave ng buhay, para makakaroon tayo ng law and order?
If used properly, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Opo. Kayo po, sa defense, naniniwala po ba kayo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo. Kung sa palagay niyo po, nung panahon na si Marshal Bonifacio ay may
Putik naman, oh. Yan na naman tayo.
confidential fund at nalaman niya na merong tatangka sa kanyang buhay. Sa palagay niyo po ba, buhay pa si Senator Benigno Aquino ngayon?
Well, assuming, Your Honor, that the foreign occupants were those lone threats to his life, then probably yes, Your Honor.
Salamat po. Kayo po.
Actually, Your Honor, okay. I'm not aware really of the circumstances during that time, Your Honor. So I
Okay.
can't really comment intelligently on that. Yes, opo. Yes, Your
Opo.
Honor.
Sige. Si Marshal Bonifacio po ang may tuturing nating nagbigay ng daan para sa people power. Yung kanya pong pagkamatay. Opo. Siya po ay na-assassinate. Opo. Sa palagay niyo po ba kung meron siyang confidential fund nung panahon na yun?
Pusang ina naman talaga! Robin, paano mo ma-justify si Ninoy sa confidential fund? Recent ang usapan, recent issue. Nagnakaw ng confidential fund, ba't kinukumpara mo kay Ninoy?
Ay nagkaroon siya ng information na merong assassination na magagawa sa kanya?
Likely, Your Honor.
Salamat po. Pangalawang tanong po. Palagay niyo po ba kung meron confidential fund si former Senator Angara na sa ngayon ay sekretary ng DepEd?
Takinan talaga, oh. Paano magkaka-confidential fund si Ninoy Aquino? Nandun siya sa abroad. Tanga mo. Pusang ina mo. Hindi naman siya gabinete ni Apo Lakay. Pusang ina mo. Aray ko. Andun siya sa abroad. Pusang ina ka. Aray ko. Wala naman dito si Ninoy. Nasa abroad siya. Inuulit ko. Ina mo. Aray ko. Paano magkaka-confidential funds yun? Hindi naman siya parte ng gabinete. Ina ka? Susmiyo ka? Grabe na kabobohan mo. Aray ko. Sakit na ng ko, Chai-Chair. Kung alam mo lang, Chai-Chair, ang leg ko, sakit na.
Maaari po bang napigil niya ang mga shooting incident sa mga paaralan?
I cannot speculate.
Wala pong speculation. At sa tingin lang po niyo, kung meron siya,
speculate.
sabi niyo po kasi kanina, sumang-ayon po kayo, kung may confidential fund,
So yung namamaril sa paaralan, terorista. Pusang ina naman, Robin, saan ba tayong katangan pupunta nito? So yung namamaril sa mga eskwelahan, terorista. Kasi yung confidential funds, Robin, kahit magbaril ang mga estudyante, makinig ka. Hindi yung parte ng confidential funds, tanga. Ina naman. Hindi parte yun ng confidential funds, yung bumaril ng mga estudyante. Parte yun ng parte yun ng parte yun ng eskwela. Walang nagudyok sa kanila, walang NPA na nagudyok, walang teroristang nagudyok. Dala yon ng emotional at family problem, emotional problem sa stress, anxiety sa teacher, iba't ibang dahilan. Hindi tungkol sa NPA, hindi tungkol sa terorista, pusang ina mo. Aray ko. Diba? NPA ba yung nag-utos? Bagbaril ka. Confidential funds yun. Barilin mo ang mga kaklase mo, ang teacher mo. Confidential funds yun. Inudyukan ng NPA, terorista. Aray ko.
Aring, makapigil, makapagbigay ng kapayapaan, law and order. Sa palagay niyo po ba, kung meron siyang confidential, ano lang naman po yun, yes or no? Kung hindi po kayo naniniwala, ay hindi, no?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, salamat po. Kayo po.
It can, Your Honor, if the purpose of the confidential fund is to conduct surveillance, Your Honor, on the threats.
Isa pa tong tangang ano to? Isa pa tong tangang abogado na to si Porpit. Diba? Kaya nga may porpis, ikaw naman may porpit. Aray ko. Anong it can? Ha? It can. Base sa investigasyon na stress sa teacher. Base sa investigasyon na stress sa bullying. Confidential pension? Ha? Confidential pension? Aray ko. Ito ewan ko dito kasi height ka na nga lang ng doorknob katulad ni Alex, ganyan ka pa.
So, kind of.
Yes.
Tama ba yung aking diction? Kind of. Salamat po. Salamat po. Sa isa po sa ating sakasyon ng
Yes, sir. Nasa stage pa po, sir, ng submission of yung decision for the motion for reconsideration. So, I would say that it's not yet final,
Hindi
sir.
po siya final. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you,
Maraming
Senator
salamat.
Judge Padilla. Senator Judge Lacson, you have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready. Thereafter, Senator Marcos, and then we're through.
Very quickly lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ano na po yung status ng security classification noong inyong PFP covering the PAPs, programs, activities, projects na socio-economic at saka good governance?
Sorry,
Including, ano yung present security classification? Has it been declassified or is it still classified information?
Sir, I would have no idea po, sir. First,
Teka muna, terminated na po ba yung PFP? Terminated na, tapos na.
if in terms of the
Activities.
activities, sir, I would assume, sir, na tapos na po siya, sir.
Therefore, kung tapos na, declassified na.
As to the terminology, sir, unfortunately,
Declassified meaning hindi na ito classified information. You know, I'm trying to drive at...
Kaya na po titignan kung pwede ba talagang itago. Kasi kung declassified na, okay na po yon iladlad ang identity. Bobo ka, Robin!
this scenario, no? Kasi ang dami sa amin nagtataka talaga. Totoo ba talaga yung mga aliases? Totoo ba nakatanggap sila ng reward, ng informants money, para lang matapos na yung aming panghuhula? Baka pwedeng maipresenta all the documents relative to the PAPs, relative to the PFP, relative to the expected outcome, para lang makapag-decision kami. Kasi sa ngayon nanguhula kami, saan ba napunta yung pera? Possible po ba yun? I'm also addressing that to the presiding officer. Is it possible for the court to issue subpoena ducis tecum just to settle this issue once and for all, para makita natin saan ba talaga napunta yung pera, so we can have informed decision at the proper time. Ngayon hula kami ng hula eh. Alam niyo, Mr. Ortonio, no? Misuse sa akin yung misuse, maski masama yung connotation legally, na misuse mo pero hindi mo binulsa, probably pwedeng patawarin siguro ng mga kababayan natin, di ba? Naawa ka doon sa mga pulis, sa mga sundalo, na misuse mo kasi hindi intended doon sa item sa GAA. Pero tinulungan mo kasi marami nagkakasakit, naulanan, naarawan. Sa akin medyo maunawaan pa ng publiko. Although, I'm not saying na hindi violation ng law.
Tama.
Kasi may technical malversation.
Tama.
But in the eyes of the public, pagka na-misuse, pero hindi naman ibinulsa, medyo subdued ng konti yung galit. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Oh, di ba? Yun eh. Yun po yun. Ayos lang eh. Kung talagang tinulong nyo. Kung talagang pinambili nyo ng medisina. Oh. Pero, nasan? Resibo! Resibo! Asan? Picture! Nasan? Aray ko! Video! Asan? Walang accomplishment! Wala nang accomplishment! Wala nang resibo! Wala, nagbigay pa ng rewards! Lupet!
To respond, as a general rule, the court should sit as a passive body, Senator Judge Lacson, and leave it up to the prosecution to subpoena documents they deem necessary to prove their case. However, the court is not without any power after both counsels have presented their respective evidences in chief to call a witness, recall a witness, call a witness that was not called by either or named by either party, and subpoena documents in connection with the subpoena ad testificandum ducis tecum may also be issued, citing as basis City of Cebu versus GACO, AMRTJ 82111, and People versus Valera, GR number 2028-6. So at the appropriate time, Senator Lacson, the court can avail of that power.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the response. Kasi para hindi na tayo nanguhula lahat ito, 20 ilan tayo rito. Hindi natin alam kung talaga saan napunta yung pera. Of course, there's a presumption na nagamit na maayos. But still, there's that doubt. You cannot remove that because of the so many issues na lumabas dito sa aming trial. And we want to be satisfied. After all, we'll be deciding on the basis of evidence and kung anong tingin namin, kung ano yung tama o ano yung mali. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
We reserve that right. The court reserves that right, Senator Judge Lacson. Finally, Senator Judge Marcos.
Wag na yan. Pangit yan.
Mga TV po kanina, kagabi, willing po siya mag-testify dito. Maging si Defense Secretary, sabi niya gano'n, pinaubayan na namin sa Senate, si Colonel La Chica. I understand, Mr. Presiding Officer, we cannot compel him to appear, but he has been repeatedly named by several witnesses, and it may be helpful to this court to hear directly from that individual so that gaping holes in the testimony may be clarified and the facts may be properly connected. I'm sure lahat po ng senator judges would like to ask him, ano ba, saan mo ba dinala? Totoo bang inutusan ka ni BP? O sarili mo lang yan, binulsa mo? I have a lot of questions, Mr. Presiding Officer. That's why I am praying that one day we will be able to talk to Colonel La Chica para matapos na ho ito. Iniiwan ho natin parang hanging po yung question. Matatapos na po tayo dito sa hostile witness. Babalik na tayo sa witnesses ng prosecutors. Hindi pa natin narinig si Colonel La Chica. Mr. Presiding Officer, yun lang po.
The manifestation is noted, but as earlier ruled by the presiding officer, we cannot compel either party to call a witness. However, after the presentation of the party's evidence in chief, the court may exercise its discretion to call a witness based on the Supreme Court ruling cited by the chair earlier. That time will come should Colonel La Chica not be called by either party. So ordered. Just a few questions, Mr. Tonyo. To wind up, kayo po ang nagsagot o sumagot sa lahat ng AOM, notice of suspension at notice of disallowance. Tama po?
Yes, I'm one of the signatories po.
Wala po doon sa AOM o kahit anong notice of suspension at disallowance, yung issue tungkol sa mga alias sa acknowledgement receipt, na-raise po ba yun doon?
It was not raised in any of the observations from COA, sir.
So hindi nyo kinailangan sagutin yon?
We did not answer, sir.
Did not need to answer because there was no question posed.
Yes, Your Honor.
There was no issue also raised by COA with respect to spending it for 11 days. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Wala rin kayong kailangan sagutin kaugnay nun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the notice of disallowance, for the 3 quarters of 2023, It was disallowed dahil base sa testimonya ni Gina Acosta, binigay niya yung pera kay Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
That's one of the observations po, Your Honor.
It's not an observation anymore, Mr. Ortonio. It's a notice of disallowance.
Disallowance. Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Kita mo, tanga-tanga. Hindi na observation, disallowance na yun, reported by COA na yun. Ortonio, tonto sentido, di bobo. Aray ko.
So, sa tingin ng COA, bawal, illegal, hindi sangayon sa JC 2015-1 yung pagbigay ni Gina Acosta kay Lachica.
Based on the notice of disallowance, Your Honor, it indicates na
Shoutout LJ Haddad, I am Batman. Shoutout sa inyo mga umabol dyan. Joel Rabanal, Paul Magalong.
from one agency to another, sir.
Kayo po, alam niyo po ba yun na binigay ni Gina Acosta yung huling quarter ng 2022 at tatlong quarter ng 2023 kay Colonel Lachica lahat?
At the time, sir, no, I did not, sir.
At the time na binigay niya o at the time na nangyari na?
At the time na nangyari lahat, sir, I would have no personal knowledge, sir.
Hindi, pero nung ginawa mo yung AOM, unang sagot sa AOM, alam mo na binigay ni Gina kay Lachica?
Yes, sir, because they were introduced as the special
So
officer.
October mo nang nalaman na binigay lahat ni Gina Lachica, October 2023, nung sinagot mo yung unang AOM para sa huling quarter ng 2022, doon mo palang nalaman na binigay lahat ni Gina kay Lachica yung pera.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now, is Lachica an accountable officer based on the definition of the JC?
Based on the JC, sir, he is not an accountable officer, sir. It's the SDO.
Kita mo? Hindi accountable from Ortonio pero binigyan ng almost 500 million. Pusang ina niya, no? Ano yun? Kahit hindi authorized, pwede palang, tignan mo kagaguhan na itong putang inang Sara Duterte na to. Biro nyo po kahit hindi po authorized ng konstitusyon at circular, binigyan nila ng pera sila chika, hindi authorized yun Aray ko. Romy, Acre 22, Bina Valdez.
That is the reason why his signature does not appear in any of the documents submitted by the Vice President in relation to the AOM, NS, and Notice of Disallowance. Dahil hindi naman siya empleyado ng OVP, di ba?
Tama.
Yes, sir. He's not an employee, sir. Although he's designated as the security officer.
Is that allowed? Designating someone as a security officer
yan.
who's not an employee of the office and being given that much money to disburse?
Ayan, pinapayagan ba yung ganon? Na hindi otorisado pero bibigay mo yung 500 million.
Based on my understanding, sir, on the JC, when I read it, sir, there's no specific guideline, sir, on who to designate as security officer. But there is a provision po, sir, that the head of agency may designate a security officer to implement different...
Ay, pusang ina mo, tanga ka! Diba? Connivance talaga po. Dahil, bawal na ginagawa ng head nyo, sinusundan nyo, connivance. Bawal na pinagagawa sa inyo ng head nyo, susundan nyo. Connivance ang pusang ina. Wala sa circular, ginawa nila.
programs and activities.
Now, you keep on mentioning that Lachica implemented and that Acosta disbursed. Ano pong definition nyo ng implement?
Implement, sir, would be to perform the different activities on the ground, sir.
Which entails what? How will he perform the different activities on the ground?
Paano niya maano yun? Di ba? Paano na-perform nila chika yung activity sa ground? Kailangan may resibo yan. Kailangan may mga accomplishment. Di ba? Tingnan natin.
In relation to confidential funds.
Possible, sir, to coordinate with the different informants or agents, sir. Yun po yung pwede kong mabigay na information, sir.
Mr. Tonyo, sa
Understanding.
mga salitang perform at coordinate, saan po doon yung paggastos ng confidential fund? Perform, coordinate. Yun ang definition mo na implement.
Yes, sir.
Oh, asan doon? Ba't binigay kay Colonel Lachica yung pera at ba't siya gumastos kung perform at coordinate lang pala? Did Colonel Lachica...
Diba? Kung perform or coordinate sinasabi mo, nag-perform si, coordinate. Di ba? Ba't bibigay mo yung pera? Ba't bibigay mo ng buo? Di ba? Magpe-perform pa lang, nakipag-coordinate pa lang, binigay mo na ng buo. Aray ko. Oh. Ibig sabihin, binigay mo na ng buo. Wala pa yung report sa'yo na ano yun? Mag-i-implement siya. Ano yung in-implement mo? Ito po in-implement ko. Oh. Nakakuha ko ng 15 confidential agent na magsa-survey. Oh, ayun na perform niya. Bayaran mo. Hindi buo.
Spend the money.
I would say so, sir, that being the implementer of the different activities, sir, he spent the money for the different confidential activities.
So Colonel Lachica disbursed the money for various confidential activities.
I would say, sir, na he implemented the different activities, sir.
Mr. Tonyo, nasa spent na tayo. Binago ko lang ng konting disburse. Bumalik ka na naman sa implement eh. Again, spent, disbursed.
Diba? Yun, huli! Tingnan mo. Spent. Past tense. Nagastos na. Implement. Gagawin pa lang. Aray ko. Shit. Huli. Spent. Ulit. Nagastos na. Implement. Gagawin pa lang. Disburse. Oh, disburse. Iatang ang pera. Oh, okay.
Means the same thing. Ang
Sir-
gumastos na ng pera na binigay ni Gina, si Colonel Lachica o mga tauhan niya.
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, it's Miss Gina Acosta who disbursed the fund, sir. And then si Colonel Lachica po yung implement or conduct ng mga confidential activities.
Hindi nag...
Mali! Huli ka na kagad dyan, boy! Sabi ni Gina Acosta, ibinigay niya lang yung lahat ng pera. Iba yung disburse. Yung disburse, sa kanya nag-reimburse si Piatos. Walang ganon. Ibinigay niya lahat. Tapos binalitan ng isang papel. Tangina, sinungaling, oh.
Bayad si Colonel Lachica?
Part of his duties as the implementer, sir, nagbayad
Magbayad.
siya doon sa mga...
So is it your theory that Gina disbursed to Lachica as an end user?
Yun po yung ano ko, sir. That's my understanding po, sir.
Kung
on
end
that.
user si Lachica, bakit niya binawi yung acknowledgement receipt niya nung nagbigay na siya ng mga acknowledgement receipt para sa di umano binayaran niya?
Oh, di ba? Ba't niya binawi yung 125 na receipt? Babaguhin! King ina nyo, buko! Oh,
Hindi ba dapat tinago niya yun? Kasi nag-disburse si Gina, tinanggap ni Lachica. Kung siya ang end user, tama lang na may acknowledgement receipt siya, ba't niya binawi? Ba't hindi tinago sa file?
Sir, in terms of binawi po yung AR, sir,
Ni Lachica?
I do not know of that, sir, because
That's what
The-
Gina said.
the AR, sir, were given to me by Miss Gina, and then that's what I submitted
Mr.
to the
Tonyo,
Commission on Audit.
the ARs of the various aliases na binanggit, yung kanina pa sinasabi, ng iba't ibang apelido, kasama yung apelido ko, yun yung sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica.
yun.
Ayon kay Gina,
Bobo ka eh. Artonio, hinuhuli ka lang eh. Hinuhuli ka na ng past tense, present tense, huli ka na eh. Tarantado ka eh. King ina mo eh. Diba? Kung end user sila, chika, wala nang ibang tatagos pa sa kanya, wala nang ibang kadugtong niya, siya na ang end user, siya na magbibigay lahat yon ng dokumento ayon kay Cheese. Ngayon, end user sila, chika, binigay niya yung resibong 125, ba't kinuha yung resibo? Bakit? Pangalawa, Ortonio, anong sinasabi mong binigay sa iyo yung AR? Ang AR, hindi manggagaling kay Gina. Ang sabi ni Gina, nagbigay lang po si Mr. La Chica. Sabi ni Ma'am Sara, bigay kay La Chica. Hindi manggagaling kay Gina. Ang manggagaling yon kay La Chica. Kasi nga si La Chica daw ang pinakamagaling sa confidential funds mag-implement. Huli kay! Kay La Chica, manggagaling lahat ng AR, lahat ng resibo. Oh, biro mo ha, mga babayan, napunta daw kay Ortonio yung AR, Ba't ganun? Tignan nyo ha, pakinggan nyo,
aliases.
Given to that, sir, because AR, sir.
Tama lang na may acknowledgement receipt.
Pakinggan nyo ha, huli.
Ba't niya binawi? Ba't hindi tinago
Ah.
sa file?
Sir, in terms of binawi po yung AR, sir,
Nila chika?
I do not know of that, sir, because
That's what Gina said.
the AR, sir, were given to me by Miss Gina, and then that's what I submitted to.
Oh, kita mo, huli. Huli. Sabi ni Gina, walang binigay sa kanya na AR. Huli na eh. Pusang ina nyo eh.
To the Commission on Audit.
The ARs of the various aliases,
Kay La Chica.
binanggit yung kanina pa sinasabi ng iba't ibang apelido, kasama yung apelido ko, yun yung sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica.
La Chica yun. Huli naman, boy. Diba? Ayon kasi kay Gina, binigay niya na ng buo. Tapos, wala na. Binigay niya ng buo. Paano ko ka makakuha ng AR, Ortonio?
Ayon kay Gina, nagbigay siya ng pera kay Colonel Lachica bilang katibayan. Nagbigay na acknowledgement receipt si Colonel Lachica. Pero nung nagbigay siya ng mga acknowledgement receipt at liquidation, binawi daw ni Colonel Lachica yung acknowledgement receipt. Wala kang kopya ng acknowledgement receipt ni Lachica?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Ang pagkakaalam ko, sir, is that I got the box with acknowledgement receipt, sir, from the special disbursing officer. And
So
that's
you're
what
not aware of any acknowledgement receipt signed by Lachica?
No, sir.
So if
Ita mo, huli ka, tarantado. Kasi, nagpasa sila Chica ng AR. Pak, dyan napunta yung 125 million. Papupunta kay Ortonio yun. Binawi. Wala pa rin siya nalaman. Pusang ina mo.
na disbursed to him, ba't hindi mo hinanap yung acknowledgement receipt kay Lachica?
Sir, the request, sir, was for the DEPs for the implementation,
If your
sir.
theory is dinisburse kay Lachica, in-implement ni Lachica, hindi ba kailangan may papel yung dinisbursan na tinanggap niya?
Tama.
Sir, I did not request for it anymore, sir.
As a final question, sir. So this is your story. You placed in the PAP, or you know that what they placed in the PAP, Good Governance Program, Socioeconomic Delivery Program, pero gagastusin yung confidential fund para sa informants, para tiyakin na ligtas ang ikalawang Pangulo saan man siya magpunta sa bansa, kaugnay ng trabaho niya, at ginamit itong confidential fund para bumili ng impormasyon, pera binigay para ipambili ng pagkain, ng silya, ng computer, ng gamot, kapalit ay impormasyon para matiyak ang kaligtasan ng VP at napatunayang matagumpay yon dahil walang nangyaring masama sa ating Vice Presidente hanggang ngayon.
Kapal, men! Feeling president!
Aray ko.
Tindi!
Yan po yung buod summary ng paggamit ng confidential fund ng OVP base sa inyong presentasyon.
Sir, with due respect, sir, just
You can correct me, sir.
just one correction lang po,
Yes,
sir. It's for the to ensure that the activities of the OVP will be implemented safely and that no untoward na mga mangyayari in the performance of walang mangyayari sa mga different activities ng OVP. That's what I
Walang
understand.
mangyayaring masama sa kanya at dun sa makikilahok. That's an accepted
For the
naman,
office and the sir, for the people who will be, say for example, attend.
Pusang ina mo, Ortonio, para kay BP Sara. Kay ina, ba't gagwardyahan pa kayo? Ba't gagwardyahan kayo? Ba't gagwardyahan yung confidential agent? Nakatago nga, tanga. Kay Sara. Eh, yung confidential agent, yun nga ang functions niya eh. Para maging safe si Sara. O, safe dito. Pwede po mag-train fighting ang putang inang Sara Duterte. Mga kababayan, na chika, safe po dito. Ako po si Mary Piatos, reporting for duty. Ayun nga yung trabaho ng confidential agents, mangmang. Safe po dito, Madam Sara. Ako po si Andy Lim. Hindi nila ako makita. Malaya na po kayo magtanim, Madam Sara. Safe po dito, Madam Sara. Hindi po nila ako makita. Ako si Andy Lim. Aray ko. Ma'am Sara, safe po dito. Maganda po yung lupa. Pining Garcia ko na po. Pining Garcia. Aray ko. Yung inanto, binubobo tayo. Ba't magiging safe? Sino po protektahan? Si Sara lang. Ba't pa protektahan yung confidential agent? Kaya nga sila nakatago sa agent, confidential, dahil sila yung first party na magsasurvey para sa mga tataniman ng putang inang Sara Duterte. Aray ko. Binubobo tayo nito eh.
Mga events, sir.
Kaya hindi lang kay BP, pati sa mga taong makikilahok dun sa event para ligtas silang lahat doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan po yung sinabi sa inyo ni Colonel Lachica na rason kung bakit siya namigay ng pera sa iba't ibang informant sa pamamagitan ng reward.
Pero mo magtatanim na lang po, nagkalat pa ng confidential agent, 125 million. Magtatanim. Aray ko. Pusang ina. Ayun po yung sinasabi natin nakaraan, dual function. Meron ng putang inang 400 na bodyguard. Meron pang confidential funds na gagastusin. Eh, putang ina mo.
Habang maging safe sa tamang tao, ito ang dapat mong gawin. First step, second steps, helmet.
Sabi nanay ko, hotdog, ang binili mo potlong, tapos nagreklamo nanay ko, nagalit ka?
Imagine that! 2 beses po tayo gumagastos. May 400 na security, meron pang confidential fund. Hindi pa sapat. Ang 400 security, kailangan pang may confidential funds, mga kababayan. Aray ko.
O pera pambili ng gamot, ng silya, ng computer, ng pagkain.
Yes, Your Honor.
That would be all, Mr. Tonyo. Senator Judge Zubiri.
Yan po mga kababayan. Narinig nyo. Lupit, di ba? Hay, nako mga kababayan.
Madilim daw ang